Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something very, I do not know if it is exciting, but then I call it chicken cacciatore. So obviously we need chicken. This is chicken. And then I have also here some chicken breast. Napadala ni Chara. Thank you, Char. And then I have here tomato sauce, peppers, black olives, and then I have two kinds of mushroom, shiitake mushroom and then the button mushroom. Okay, so first thing is we will fry our manok. Okay, we will use this one. Ta-da! Okay, and then our pan is already hot. So I am using oven-proof pan from Tabing. Thank you, Tabing. Okay, we'll fry this one. So, so I have here our chicken that has been fried. Ito batok-batok, very hard to fry it. Next is the same pan we will add in our garlic and our onions. The jutay onions, no? Okay. Okay, so we just have to make that like that. You have to mix like that. And then we have to add our chicken breast. Aray! Aray! Ooh. Okay. And then you have to make this into smaller chunks. Okay. And then we will put in our mushroom. Our mushroom are of two types. We have this button mushroom and then we have shiitake mushroom. I will add it here and then okay, so all the burnt parts are now gone because of the frying. And then we will add in our lots of peppers. This one. Nahinay lang ang kalayo so that I can this dish can also be used and put in the oven. So this is nice. Tabing, this is yours. Tita Lilia, thank you for this. And then, we will add in our, like this. I mean like this. Olives. Black olives. You see, it's so colorful. No? Why, habi kami isang green na pepper. No? We only have, red bell peppers. Next is I will add the seasoning. What seasoning will I add? First of all, we will add this mix Italian seasoning. There. And then we will add some oregano. Pula kita pepper and then this is parsley. Garnish na ni guro, or I do not know. And then we also have here, ano gani naman, basil. And then we have to put this in the oven until the sauce is thick. Okay man, although this sauce is already thick. Now, do you think I go in it? Let's pour in the sauce. Now, this is a blend of Italian sauce, creamy sauce. So, simpon ko lang whatever is left over in our refrigerator for this. And then, I will have to adjust for the salt. Kaya lang, wala ko kasang salt. Sige lang. Okay. So, by the way, when we put this in the oven, we will cook our spaghetti. And then we will put cheese later. Carla, thank you. Puro lang nito ng hatag. My other name is Charity. Okay, siguro pwede ito na. And then, the last thing that we will do is we will add in our chicken and then put this in the oven. Aray, init. Aray, init. Good girl ka mo da, ha? Good girl ka mo da, ha? You see, there's still blood, pero it will be cooked in the oven. How many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll not put this one. Okay. So, what we will do is we'll turn off the flame and then put the cover and then bring it to our oven. So, I will come back to you once this is done. This just came out of the oven. Look at it is still hot. So, I will put first of all the sauce. I will now top this with our sauce. This is namit, no? Because you see there are chicken chunks. And then luluoy man, no? Ay, aray ko. They're so festive. And then we will add in the chicken. 1 chicken per mount. And then, ay naguba, iba na collapse, okay lang. So this is another way of making your spaghetti. Hindi lang nga permi lang nga karni-karni, no? Or ground beef and with ano ba yun? With hot dog. Palain naman, no? Okay. And lastly, we will add our cheese. Cheese. Open na po yan. Oh, this is new. This is newly. Carla, this is what we won in the raffle. Okay. you see, this is another way of making your pasta. Yan. So, with Anna, we will clean our plate. Okay, so there you have it. Chicken Cacciatore. So, kaunta everybody. Thank you for watching.